Have no use. This now have one blood clot use. The only place they can fly go I want 1 and 2 little bit of Caribbean with this. This don't have no use.
Should Vybz Kartel be retried for murder? Court hearing on the question starts Monday.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying. Me nah stop trying. You want me satisfied.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and Lioness, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lion TV. You know the man of peace. Though, say give thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks to another day. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health, and maybe a basket. Never be empty. A food basket. You see me? Yeah, man. I use equality and diversity. You see me? Empathy. You see me? I say. Yeah, man, coming up in this episode, we have a brother disrespect Jamaican passport. Him kick it on the ground. Him say it don't work nothing, it's useless. Boy, I tell him, I'll show now, you can let me know what you think in the comment section below of that. Not a good look, very sad, You see me? And also we have the Gleaner asking a question: if Vybz Kartel should be retried for the alleged murder of Clive Williams. I don't know. His hearing starts tomorrow to see whether they're gonna do a retrial or they're gonna set him free. Is it? So we're gonna talk about that. Yeah, but I don't know. We are forward.
Rasai Marik, Lion TV. This boy I say my bad man now we don't know how trick him. No how trick him now the cops them catch him. Cops them catch him now boy more dripping. Never know said the damn boy was a chicken me yet. Yeah, man, Brimstone, aka Cannabis, this represented for Lion TV. That's time I my brother, bless up, brother.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Brimstone, big up yourself, brother. Yeah, man. So, first, let's kick it off with the brother with the passport. The man, I don't know where I'm there for England, India, America, Canada, but I know him at disrespect Jamaica and the passport. You see me? I don't know if I do it with clout or the hype, but watch what
Have no use. This now have one blood clot use. The only place they can fly go I want 1 and 2 little bit of Caribbean with this. This don't have no use. This can't carry go America. This can't carry go Canada or England unless them put a stamp in this. This is a worthless fuck. If you have this, you're poor and you in need of no. You know what I do with that? Do this and kick it. See that? I kick it blood clot. This not no use. This not have no use. This a hold down. This a crosses. This are all different type of blood clotting. This a passport. Me vex say me have to dash it. Me have to use this. Me glad me get my original passport, my red book. When you have red book, you can't chat to me. Once you have a Jamaica passport, you no pour no blood clot, that can't do nothing for you. That can't carry go no first world country unless them stamp it. I shit this. Go with this. You know how I do with that? Keep that under my blood clot couch. Go on. Go on.
Well, my people, I don't know, but let me know what you think about that. For me, I make me feel disgruntled, and that's a low blow from him. I don't know if he's been serious or him just a look cloud hype views, followers. I know people do some stupid things just to gain views, and one day trending. But when I say he's very disrespectful to Jamaica, his own country, his native country, where I can see say he has no intention of going back or giving back, or the man say him kick passport on the ground. Jamaica can't bring a gun nowhere unless I get stamped on your book. And him have him red books and the UK him there, so people like them they feel like say all is well, all is gloom. Because I have red book and citizenship, anything can pop up. As I say, and red book, driver's license, all of them things that belongs to the government. You might have privilege and access to them, but they belong to the government. You see me? But let me know what other things still. You see me? I think it was a wasteful video to make that never called for you. You see me? No place like Jamaica Yeah, man, I love Jamaica, man. I am a British citizen as well. Dual citizenship me have, but I love my country. You see me? Yeah, man. Right, I want to go back to Jamaica go live, but me can't afford to do so yet. But until then, I don't know if I keep it real. Big up all my pro Jamaicans them on the ground. Just go on Wally Fate. You see me and say? Blessed love.
Don't stop trying. Fly low, fly high. Don't stop trying until the day I die.
So moving on now, we see Glean asking the question: should Vybz Kartel be retried for murder? You know what I mean? You know him hearing starts to Monday, you see me? Yeah, and him and his co-accused them whether they're gonna decide for a retrial or they're gonna set them free. But let me know one thing. I think them gonna go retrial based on the situation. You know what I mean? Obviously going out and playing out, I think they're gonna go retrial. But I don't know, Vybz Kartel if we just want to hold it and pray, and them kids them have to pray because you know them are saying health, they're saying his health is not good. You know what I mean, and so forth. But yeah, we know which bad pan no one in the world. Me know which bad pan no one, you see me, and everybody deserve a second chance in life. But if you do the crime, you have to be prepared to do the time, and innocent until proven guilty. You see me, so them have them hearing tomorrow, and I don't know, I'm gonna look a piece of the article from the Gleaner, and then you can let me know what you think in the comment section. Is it? Yeah, man. The Court of Appeal will start hearing arguments tomorrow to determine whether entertainer Vybz Kartel and the 3 other men should be retried for the alleged murder of Clive Lizard Williams in 2011. The 3 judges who will rule on the matter are Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, Paulette Williams, and David Fraser. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So you see, 3 judges are gonna decide on the matter. They're gonna start hearing arguments from cartel lawyers, them, and also from the defense, DPP, the prosecutor. You see me? Whether they should be granted, whether a retrial should be ordered or they're gonna be set free. But I think it's gonna be a 4-day, 5-day hearing. Then the public, the world will know, you know what I mean? But as I say, what is to be will be, you know? Yeah, man. You see me? But it's just sad star, you know, so 11, 12, 14 years behind bars. And then they are faced with a retrial again. And if it should go to retrial and them not win, John was that sad, you know? Based on them say them have evidence and whatever. Me don't know, you see me, but John, I tell you, sir, badness not pay, you know, badness not pay. I hope the youth them now learn say, because every day youth are dead. Man are going to badness, see them in a bus gun and I do them thing. You know, jailers and prison stay far from that man and dead house. You see it? Yeah, man, you know, me and the man of peace. I say I love my unity, man. Woman they in that prison locked down. You're mad? And road so nice, woman know enough. Freedom, as a matter of fact, freedom. Instead of being locked up behind bars. No, so stay away from violence, man. You see me? Some see, man, stay away from violence and crime. You know what I mean? And just think positive, because jail house is not a nice place. You know, when you're locked down and you're on the orders 24 hours a day, you only have 2 hours outside. A joke thing. You see me? And you know, Vybz Kartel rich. And look where him there behind bars. Yeah, man, I know at times the 4 of them must get fed up and depressed and tired of the cell and the jail house and they want to come on the road. But I'm going to just hope for the best, and we all wait to hear, you know what I mean? You know, them fate lies in those 4 judges. Yeah, the judge them going to decide, so we just have to go and watch and wait and see what's going on. But let me know in the comment section below if you think he should be retried. Should be set free, the 4 of them, you see me? Let me know in the comment section below. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. I'm the man of peace. And remember, stay away from crime and violence. Please.
Yeah, man. Words of inspiration coming from I am Eric, you know.